Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset layout settings in CapCut PC. If your CapCut workspace looks different than usual, or panels have been moved, resized, or closed by accident, resetting the layout can be a quick way to bring everything back to the default view. This is especially helpful if your timeline, preview window, or editing tools are no longer arranged in a way that feels comfortable or familiar. To begin, open the CapCut app on your PC. Wait for the program to load fully so you can clearly see the main editing interface. If you already have a project open, that's fine. You do not need to start a new project just to reset the layout. The goal here is simply to restore the current workspace arrangement inside the app. Once CapCut is open, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. In that section, you should see a small drop-down control. It may be easy to miss at first because it's quite small, so take a moment to look carefully. This menu contains additional workspace or interface options, including the Layout Reset feature. When you find the small drop-down, click on it to open the menu. After clicking, a list of available options should appear. Make sure you're selecting the correct menu in the top right section of the CapCut window, since that is where the layout controls are located. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Reset Current Layout. Once you click it, CapCut will return the visible panels and workspace arrangement to the default layout. This can help fix issues where windows are misplaced or the interface feels difficult to use after changes have been made. After the reset, take a quick look around your workspace to confirm that everything is back in place. You should now see a cleaner, more familiar editing setup. If you were having trouble finding certain tools or panels before, this reset often resolves that immediately. That's all it takes to reset layout settings in CapCut PC. It's a simple feature, but very useful when your editing workspace becomes cluttered or confusing. Keeping this option in mind can save time and help you get back to editing faster with a more organized screen.